Um, so I thought I would film a mini clothing haul slash pet toy haul, since I didn't really do much today, but I've done a couple of bits of shopping, so here we go. So this is for Shadow. It's a little fluffy squeaky toy in the shape of a bone. This was $4, yeah, $4 from Kmart. The next toy is, this is for Snoop, but I was thinking him and Shadow could probably use it for tug of war because it's got two sort of ropes there, so someone can be hanging onto this end and the two dogs can be on that end. This was $6 at Kmart. Now for the clothes. These were both $5 each from Kmart. They're both singlet tops, much like what I have now. Probably can't see because it's dark, but this one's a green one and it's really super comfy. $5. So I got me this grey one and I got me a black one because it's so hot. It's too hot for t-shirts and I need more singlet tops, and these are good sort of neutral colours so I can wear them. I've got a few tops with like really big armholes, so these are good to wear under those because they are such neutral colours. So yeah, told you it was going to be mini. That's it, that's all I have until tomorrow. Bye.